Hello everyone, and welcome to my talk today about advanced high brightness single emitter diodes from our partner Enlight. My name is Tobias Heider and I'm working as a senior sales manager for OPTOPRIM in Germany. First, I want to quickly introduce OPTOPRIM. OPTOPRIM is a distributor of high-end photonic components and subsystems. We were founded in 1994 in Paris. At the moment, we have about 65 employees at 4 different sites in Europe. One in Paris, one in Munich, one in Monza, close to Milano, and one in Rome. I could say that we are active in 3 different fields. One is the scientific area. That could be everything from standard components to high-end custom laser systems or microscope systems. Another part of our group is focused on medical applications, cosmetic and surgical, for example. There we also supply laser components, but also tools for measurement, for example. One of our main focuses is the industrial field. This can be anything from, for example, the laser diodes for OEM integrators, but also to optics and high power fiber lasers for heavy industrial processes like cutting and welding. To support this area, we also have an application lab in Monza. Here you can see pictures of our older lab. Currently, we are moving to a larger site where we have clean rooms for service application or for service and repairs. We have a training room, also some tools for analysis of the processes we do. We have a warehouse where we keep also spare parts, for example. One area for scanning applications, for example, with pulse lasers for marking, or also femtosecond lasers. And then the macro area here you can see the robot arm for cutting and welding and everything that's multi-kilowatt. Coming to today's topic, we are a distributor for Enlight. Enlight is a vertical integrated company that produces semiconductor wafers. And out of these wafers, they produce the single emitter diode modules. Also, they draw their own optical fibers. And with these fibers, they make multi-kilowatt fiber lasers. Enlight was founded in 2000 and is based in Vancouver and is also listed in NASDAQ. One of the main product line in the diode space is the Enlight elements. These were designed as the brightest fiber-coupled semiconductor lasers and are designed as pump lasers for Enlight's own fiber lasers. These are available with wavelengths between 793 and 976 nanometer. We can offer up to 420 watt in a 200 micrometer fiber. And for a lot of the wavelengths, also wavelength stabilized modules are available. Here you can see these range from the low power 3 emitter up to here the newest, the E24i with 24 emitters. One market where we've seen growing interest is the 793 nanometer market for thulium fiber lasers. These can be used for medical applications, for example, but also for defense. And we see a lot of demand now for industrial applications, for example, for clear plastic welding. These applications demand higher and higher power and brightness. Last year, Enlight introduced the E24i with the 200 micrometer fiber with 190 watt. And this year, they now introduced, for the higher brightness applications, the E24i with 105 micrometer fiber, which is now available with 120 watt. Last year, Enlight also introduced a new chip design with their high efficiency epitaxy. These are available with the 9XX nanometer modules, especially interesting with the wavelength stabilized modules, because these show a greater 50% improvement in locking range, meaning at a given temperature, the current window in which the diode is locked is about 50 or more than 50% larger. With these chips, we can offer up to 205 watt in a 105 micrometer fiber for stabilized diodes, and up to 370 watt in a 200 micrometer fiber. And with the high efficiency design, they have a greater than 50% electro-optical efficiency. In the 9XX range, without wavelength stabilization, Enlight now also introduced the E24i with SMA and stainless steel jacketing. We've seen larger demand from direct material applications, and these often need more robust jacketing for the more demanding environments. This chip design is now also introduced for the 88X wavelength stabilized laser diodes. This technology, is available for this whole product range now. It shows a 3% absolute efficiency improvement, about the same improvement in wavelength locking range. And interestingly, it also shows an about 3 times increase in chip lifetime. Here on the right in this plot, you can see, it's a little hard to see, but with the black and blue colors, the black are with the old chip design, and the blue are the new chips. They are very comparable, but the blue chips were driven at a higher current. And according to Enlight's lifetime models, this is about a 3 times acceleration. So this shows about 3 times improvement in chip lifetime. And with this design, Enlight now also introduced E24i in this range. So this has a 50% electro-optical efficiency, and we can offer up to 230 watts in a 200 micrometer fiber. Here on the bottom, you can see we can offer at these wavelengths from the E3 with 30 watts up to 230 watts now. Okay, these were the most recent products from in our fiber coupled diode lasers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or to the respective offers in your country. Thank you.